guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today, my beautiful friends, is day 3 of Vlogtober. I am so excited. This is my first time celebrating Vlogtober and I feel so extremely blessed to be able to celebrate with each and every one of you. For those of you who are new to this Vlogtober event, I guess is what we'll call it, I have teamed up with Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey, and each day for the entire month of October we are hopping on YouTube and sharing a quick video with you guys. I guess what we would call a challenge update. Each week of October we are initiating a new challenge. This week's challenge was to share your favorite motivational quote or inspirational quote each day. We have had some really good ones, so thank you to everybody who has participated. I am definitely having a lot of fun with this one. It is not too late, guys. If you want to jump on board and throw out some ideas for weeks 2, 3, and 4 of October, just leave them down below, or you can go over to Suzy's Facebook page, which is also called Suzy's Health Journey, and leave your ideas there. I will link both Suzy's Facebook page and her YouTube channel down below, guys. So if you're not a member of either one, make sure you hit those links and go subscribe and join her channel. You're going to find a really fantastic and fun support group over there. All right, guys. So for my first week of October, for my motivational quotes, I am actually sharing, I don't know, I guess technically they're called affirmations, but they're affirmations with a twist, or as I like to say, chaos. So here is what our box looks like. They are actually called affirmators, and it says 50 affirmation cards to help you help yourself without the self-helpiness. And so far, guys, the first 2 that I've read have been so much fun, and they actually pertain to a lot of areas of life, but especially the weight loss journey or the wellness journey that we're all on. So let's go ahead and get into this deck and see what we have today. I do need to put my glasses on, guys. I apologize as always for the glare, but I want to make sure I can read these because some of them get a little lengthy. So we'll just take the next card off the top of the deck, and we have the word of the day, which is sanctuary. Good for you. It seems you've earned some time away from the chaos of life. You can't get away from me, guys. Sorry. If I'm the only chaos in your life, though, y'all are really lucky. Anyways, it could be as small as a bubble bath or as big as a trip. Or maybe it's a small trip to a big bubble bath. Heck yeah. Or a normal sized trip to a tiny bubble bath, or maybe you tripped and fell in someone's bath. Whatever it is, it's waiting for you with open arms. Just pick your favorite sanctuary and unplug for a bit, especially if a bath is involved. I do love myself a good bubble bath. What do you think that's saying? Let me know down in the comments. Sanctuary. Where is your sanctuary? Where is your happy place? How many of you guys make yourself a priority in your day and make sure that you set aside some time each day for yourself? And what does that look like? So many things you could do, and it doesn't have to be hours and hours. I know a lot of people like to get up and they have devotions or journaling they do in the morning. It can be self-care, it can be a face mask, it can be a hair treatment, which y'all, I'm sure you've noticed this bright red craziness I have going on right now. It's a little bit too much chaos for me, honestly, but anyways, it is what it is. I'm gonna try and get used to it over the next couple weeks and we'll see what happens. But yeah, I wanted to get rid of the gray, so I went total chaos instead, and I just can't. I don't know, it's only been a day, so I'm not going to give up on it yet. You know, Jen just can't do normal. It was supposed to be like a dark mahogany color, and I guess I had a lot more gray than I anticipated, so I really ended up on the lighter end of the spectrum, which I'm not used to. I haven't dyed my hair in so long, but usually when I do, it's on the darker end of the spectrum, but I had so much more gray than usual this time. But anyways, squirrel moment, self-care. I did my hair. For me, self-care, like I said, I love reading books. I do like to get up in the morning sometimes and watch YouTube before I get my day started. That's okay. That's something that really helps me regroup and prepare myself mentally. There's all kinds of stuff. You could try a new lipstick. You could try a new eyeshadow. What do you do for yourself on a regular basis to make sure that you are taking care of you? So, sanctuary, guys. Sanctuary. Emphasis on the baths. I don't know, guys. I do like that one. These affirmation cards are pretty stinking cool. And self-care is such a big, important part of any wellness journey. So, anywho, guys, that was our affirmator for the day. Like I said before, please leave me your thoughts on this affirmation. Leave me your motivational quotes, your daily affirmation, inspirational quote, whatever you want to share down in the comments or over at Suzy's Facebook page. If you guys haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos so that we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, we finally made it over 800, so make sure you watch for that 800 subscriber giveaway at some point this week. I'm not quite sure what day, but it will be this week. I've been putting it together for quite a while, so it's a good one. And my point with that was, guys, if you're not subscribed, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button down in the corner, I would absolutely love to have the opportunity to get to know you better and to have you as part of my YouTube family. I do have a personal goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, guys, and if we keep moving like we have been, I think we're going to be able to do it. All right, guys, for reals this time, I'm really going to let you go. I hope you've all had a fantastic day 3 for our Vlogtober challenge. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.